So here I have this lapel microphone. It's those um, microphones that go on your around your head there, and it has a very small mic here at the tip, and it's kind of like a skin color there, and they're really good quality. But in this one, there's a problem with the connection, and usually what goes bad is this part here. So it's a really good design. These older designs here, we can take it off and we can see the color. We have two channels, left and right, at the top, and then the third pin is usually your ground pin. So there's a diode in there. There's a green wire. I don't know if this is mono. This could be a mono. Yeah, this looks like it is mono because inside here it looks like we have the green one in the middle. Then we have this one here, which would be either left or right. Let's test out where this one goes. It could be either this pin or this one. I'm not too sure. I'll have to use my multimeter. The middle one there, I think that's usually the front, there. So that green one will be there, and then this one is usually the casing, the ground. So let's use our multimeter and have a look. I'm just gonna take a picture here. Okay. Continuity mode. So the middle pin, yeah, I was right there. It's the first one. This is the second, and then the third one is ground, which is this. And we have common ground on these two pins here. You can hear. Okay, so we do have an issue. And usually what we can do is just cut off here and use some heat shrink. So that's what I'm going to do here. So the issue with this one, it was just a grounding issue actually. My green wire was connected without any issue. So the green wire was connected, but in here you can see that the ground wire inside it has this outer ground wire right here, and this ground wire wasn't connecting to the ground here, and so that's why you had intermittent signal, is because sometimes it would be connected right to the ground there, and sometimes not. So it required a soldering job. There, yeah. I do have lots of heat shrink, and I'll just choose one that's a little bit bigger than the wire. And you just want to remember to put the heat shrink on before you solder it on, right? So, just put it on there. And then we'll strip this. So when you want to separate these into the three parts, where we had the nylon part, we'll remove that. And then you have the ground wires, or the bare wires. So And then we have the signal wire is the green wire here. We'll get this soldered on first, then we'll put that in. We'll just put a little bit of super glue because you don't want any play there. So I'll just put a little bit of super glue on the outside. And then you can put it back. Screw it on. There we go.